Illinois. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 7. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin, North Port Lights, Wisconsin, until 11:30 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater and large hail, located 9 nautical miles northwest of Port Washington, moving east at 35 knots. Another storm was located near Sheboygan and was also moving east at 35 knots. Locations impacted include Port Washington, Sheboygan. Mariners can expect wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Sunday morning.